Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Asus laptop screen flickering. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, if your Asus laptop screen here is flickering, there are a few things you need to know. So the problem itself might be a hardware or a software issue. So if it's a hardware issue, we won't be able to do much, but if it's a software issue, there are a few things that you could try here. So first is you want to make sure that you have the latest updates on your PC. Now, at the bottom left of your screen, you want to go and click on the Windows icon here, and you want to go ahead and click on the settings option. Now in here, what we need to do is we need to go to the update section. Go to the find a settings section, just type in update. In this case, select check for updates. Now from here, what we need to do is we need to click on the check for updates, and if you do see some updates here, go ahead and click on install now, and it will actually start the installation process. Now once your PC or your Windows is fully updated, what you need to do next is basically restart your PC and see if that solves the issue. Sometimes missing some updates for your laptop or your Asus laptop here can actually cause some issues, so make sure to update that. But if that doesn't work, there are a few things or a few settings that you might want to change. So first is we need to go to our display settings. Now in your desktop, you want to go ahead and right click on your desktop, and you want to go to display settings. Now in the display settings, you want to go ahead and scroll down a bit here, and you want to go to display resolution. Now if your display resolution is not in the correct resolution, it might cause some issues on your screen. So it is recommended that you use the recommended setting, or in this case resolution, for your laptop. Now another thing that you might want to consider here is the refresh rate. You want to go to advanced display settings here, and from here you want to go ahead and basically adjust your refresh rate. Now go ahead and switch over to a different refresh rate here and see if that solves your issue. Now also, a high rate provides a smoother motion here, but also uses more power. In this case, reducing your refresh rate can actually help a lot, but in this case, it depends on your laptop and its issues. But in this case, once you've done that, you could go ahead and close this one, and again, you could try using or try playing any game and see if that solves the issue. Now, if that doesn't solve your issue, then it means it's more on the hardware issue. So meaning you might want to get your laptop checked by Asus customer support and see if they could actually fix it for you. If you still have some warranty, you could go ahead and reach out to them and basically have a replacement, or have them fix it for you for free. So you won't have to pay for anything as long as you have a warranty for your laptop. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.